This is your code book. In this video, we are going to discuss about nested if statement. In previous video, we discussed about if else statement. Using that conditional statement, we can check more than one condition. Similarly, in nested if statement also we can check more than one condition. So what is mean by nested if statement? If you are placing a if condition inside the another if statement, that is known as the nested if statement. So look at the syntax. If condition 1, and inside the if statement we have another condition or another if statement, that is if condition 2. So what is the flow of execution of this nested if statement? When a condition 1 evaluates to true, the control goes to inner if statement, that is condition 2. If the condition 2 satisfied or the condition 2 evaluates to true, the true statements are executed, otherwise the false statements are executed. Here, if the first time the condition 1 evaluates to false, the control goes to else statement, and then particular block of statements are executed. Finally, the control goes to next statement. So this is the syntax for nested if statement. So here we have outer if statement and inner if statement. Here, if condition 1 is the outer if statement and condition 2 is the inner if statement. So next we will look at the flow of execution. So look at the flow of execution. Here, if the condition 1 evaluates to true, then control goes to check the condition 2. If the condition 2 evaluates to true, the particular block of statements are executed, otherwise the false block of statements are executed. If the condition 1 evaluates to false, the control goes to the false block of statements. After that, finally the control goes to next statement. So this is the flow of execution of this nested if statement. So here we are going to discuss the program. The example program is write a Python program to find the greatest of number from 3 numbers. So here we are going to discuss, here we are going to read 3 numbers from the user end, and using this nested if statement we are going to find the greatest number from those 3 numbers. So let's write a code. So the program name is greatest of 3 numbers. So the first thing, we should get 3 numbers from the user end. So X input, enter first number, and the variable name is y, the second variable name is y, enter second number, and third variable is set, and third number. And so look at the syntax for nested if statement. If condition 1. So how will you find the greatest of 3 numbers from these 3 numbers? So first we have to compare x and y. Okay, first we have to compare x and y. So my condition is if x greater than y. So if the condition is true, then we have to check the variable x to the variable z. So based on this condition, I am going to add the next condition is if x greater than z. So if these two conditions are satisfied, we can say x is the greatest number. Okay, so because x greater than y, so first condition is satisfied, and then control goes to next condition, x greater than z. If this condition also satisfied, we can say print, so x is a greatest number. Or here else part. What is the else part? So the first condition x greater than y, and then second condition x greater than z. So if the first condition is satisfied and second condition is not satisfied, which means we can say z is a greatest number, because already we know that x is the greatest of y. So in this else part we can write print greatest number, and then next we have one elif statement to check if the first condition is not satisfied, that is if x greater than y condition is not satisfied, we have to check y greater than z. So now print, we can say if x greater than y, which means y is a greatest number, and then in elif condition we are comparing y with the z. If this condition is satisfied, we can say y is a greatest number, or else we can obviously know if first condition is not satisfied, y is the greatest number, and in elif condition also y greater than z. This condition also not satisfied, we can say z is a greatest number. So let's run this code. So enter first number. So first I am giving 9, and second number 8, and third number 7. So 9 is a greatest number. So we should check all the three possibilities. So let me run the code again. So for second possibility, again copy the program and then control enter. So now this time I am giving 8 first number, and second number is 9, and third number is 7. So now 9 is a greatest number. So second possibility also works perfectly. And then again so third possibility. So enter first number, this time 7 and 8, second number, third is 9. So 9 is a greatest number. So all the three possibilities are works perfectly. Okay, so here first number we makes first number is a greatest, so we got the output, and here second and here third. So all the three possibilities are works. So this is about finding greatest number among three numbers. So this is the flow of execution, and let's see the visualization of this greatest of three numbers. So click visualize execution. So first number 9 and second number 8, third number 7. So the x 9, y 8, z 7. So here first, after reading three inputs, the interpreter is ready for execution this conditional statement. If x greater than y, click next button. So condition is satisfied. Okay, so 9 greater than 8, so the condition is satisfied, so the control goes to check the next condition. If x greater than z, click next button. So this condition also satisfied, so print x is the greatest number is ready for execution. So click next button. So after that the control goes to next statement. So after that after the nested if statement. So if you run the code again with the different outputs, so now this time 7 and the second number is 8 and third number is 9. Okay, so now x greater than y, this 6 line number 6 is ready for execution. Click next button. So the control goes to elif, because this condition is not satisfied. 7 greater than 8, the condition is not satisfied, so the control goes to elif statement, and here we have another condition, y greater than z. So click next button. So this condition also not satisfied, because 8 values y value is 8 and z value is 9, so the control goes to else part. So print z is a greatest number. If you are clicking next button, you can see the output, and finally click next button to control to terminate the program. So this is the visualization of this greatest of three numbers using nested if statement. So this link is available in description. So this is the source code. So in this video we discussed about nested if statement in Python. Thank you.